In this video, I will explain how to add the AirDeveloppa web app to your home screen. First, open up your Safari browser and go to the website app.airdeveloppa.co. Then, press the Share button at the bottom of the page. Scroll through the menu options until you see the prompt, Add to Home Screen. Once you press this button, you will see the AirDeveloppa icon, website, and name listed. Click Add in the upper right-hand corner. Now, the app will appear on your home screen. When you click on the app from your home screen, the AirDeveloppa AQI map will open up. So that is how you download the web app onto an iPhone home screen. Now, let's look at how to complete that same process on an Android. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Go to the website app.airdeveloppa.co. This will take you right to the AQI map. Next, press the 3 vertical dots at the top right of your screen. On the drop-down menu, select Install App. Once the app is installed, it will appear on your home screen. When you click on it, you will see the AirDeveloppa AQI map, and you can navigate to any business that you would like to visit.